Hi everyone, and welcome to Story Time. I have my little space frog with me today, and today we're actually going to talk about the solar system and about space, which is one of my very favorite things to talk about. Space is so amazing, and we're learning new things about it every day. Pretty cool, huh? Yep. Oh, are you excited to learn about space today? Oh, he's very excited. All right, are you guys ready to read a story? All right, let's go. This book is called Nerdy Babies Space, and it's by Emmy Kastner. Hello, nerdy babies. Do you ever wonder about space? You probably do. You're curious. Look up, way up. Space is up. Above your roof, beyond the trees, past the clouds, you'll find outer space. It's dark and cold, and there are stars. There's no gravity here. Gravity keeps everything on the ground back on Earth. There's no sound in space. It's so quiet. Planets spin, stars sparkle, and comets silently fly by. This is our sun. It is the center of our solar system, and it's very bright and hot. In the time it takes to get from one birthday to the next, Earth makes one lap around the sun. That's 365 days. Do you love the moon? Earth sure does. They travel around space together, like peas and carrots. There's no wind on the moon. Your footprints will last forever. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each planet is different from the next. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Venus spins backwards. Earth, the only planet that supports life in our solar system. Yet. The tallest mountain in the solar system is on Mars. Jupiter has 79 moons. Wow. Saturn's rings are actually made of pieces of ice and rock, from specks of dust, 2 pieces as big as a house. Uranus spins on its side. Neptune is so far away. It takes about 165 Earth years to finish one lap around the sun. Pluto used to be called a planet. We learn more about our solar system and the whole universe every day. Astronauts look up to the sky and ask a lot of questions, just like you. Nerdy baby, nerdy kid, and nerdy astronaut. Stay curious. There's more to learn about everything. Okay, here's a song that's going to help us learn about our solar system. So the first thing that we need to look at is the sun. And the sun is actually a star, a kind of a middle-sized star. And then we're going to talk about the planets that go around the sun. So the first planet that we have is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, now we're going to sing a song about those. So, let's get these out of the way. Okay, I know you know the wheels on the bus. So we're going to go. The planet Mercury goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Mercury goes round the sun, round and round the sun. All right. And next we have Venus. Here we go. The planet Venus goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Venus goes round the sun, round and round the sun. Good job. Okay, next we have Earth. We have our planet where we live, right here. And it's the third planet from the sun. And here we go. The planet Earth goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Earth goes round the sun, round and round the sun. Excellent. Okay, next we have Mars. We're learning a lot about Mars now, aren't we? Here we go. The planet Mars goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Mars goes round the sun, round and round the sun. Excellent. After Mars, we have Jupiter, and it's a big one. The planet Jupiter goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Jupiter goes round the sun, round and round the sun. Great. Okay, next we have Saturn with its ring around it. The planet Saturn goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Saturn goes round the sun, round and round the sun. All right. Okay, and then next we have Uranus. And the planet Uranus goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Uranus goes round the sun, round and round the sun. Okay, we have one more. And Neptune. The planet Neptune goes round the sun, round the sun, round the sun. The planet Neptune goes round the sun, round and round the sun. All right. Good job. For today's craft, we made our own solar system to represent our solar system. And so we just took different shapes for the different planets and then just glued them onto long strips. On the back, we wrote the names of each planet. And then the middle represents our sun. And that way the kids can see, and used a brad in the middle, and that way the kids can see the rotation of the planets around the sun. I hope you liked the story about space today. And Space Frog wants to sing one more song. All right, you guys ready? Okay, it goes like this. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. All right. Oh, he really likes that song. Do you want to do it one more time? Okay, here we go. Ready? Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. All right, well, thanks for joining me today and learning about space, and we'll see you next time. And if you get a chance to go outside and look up at the stars with your parents tonight, that would be a pretty fun thing to do. Okay, see you next time.